We will see how to use methods. Methods will help you to write cleaner code when you especially have event handling, etc. Of course, it's not related to event handling only. It's just general functions that can be used in your template, in your view instance, etc. Actually, first let me rename this as 06. So we'll take a copy of this and we'll be seeing how to write methods and use methods. Now we have some code here. When we click on these buttons, we are doing something, like we are setting the plan to free. Now this is very less code, it's just one simple expression, plan equal to free. But in general, you could do a lot of things, like more code could need to be executed when you click on a button or when you handle an event. Now in that case, writing you cannot write it like it's not a single expression. You have to write more code, and that's why you go in for methods. So in the view options, you have an option called methods, and you can have any function as part of this methods object. For example, you can have a change plan method, change plan. Maybe it even takes an argument, which is the plan to change to. Okay. So what you can do is, instead of executing code here itself, writing the code to be executed here itself, like click, you said this, you could call change plan. So basically you can not only use data, you can not only use data in your template, like we've been doing, making use of plan and message and different data. You can even use the methods in the template, which are defined here in the methods object here. So you can say change plan, and you can actually set what plan, pass that as an argument, free or whatever. So we'll do that for everything. It doesn't give us much savings when you have a single line of code to be executed, but when you have a lot of things inside, you can write that thing here. So we can do whatever you want. For example, sorry, switch the plan to free. And observe that we are using the context. The context of these methods will be the view instance. It'll be in general the view instance, the same as this root. But the data that you have set in this data object being returned, that will be available directly on that object. So this dot plan. So if you want to use any data, this object, you can use this keyword. The context will be set to an object which has access to this data, this thing. So this dot plan equal to free. So when you're using it in the template, you don't say this. When you're using it in the methods, this data, you'll have to say this. That's an important difference to remember. So of course, it's not free. You have to set to the plan that's being passed as an argument. This one. So we'll be passing that as an argument. So on click of this button, we'll change to premium. And on click of this button, we'll change to pro. We'll be looking at event handling and all in detail in coming sections. So this should still continue to work. Let's copy the part to this file, open, and click on this. You can see change, click on this, you can see change. So it's working. Let's see with view 3 if this works. So we'll comment out. Okay, this is actually view 3. So let's see if in view 2 it works, it should work. So I'll comment this out and open this. Of course, we need to change these things. Now this becomes new view. Okay. Rest all remains same. Here it's dollar amount. Okay. So let's see if this works with view 2. Switch to free plan. Yes, it works. Yes, it works. All right. So that's how we can write methods and use it in the template without this. And in you can use it even methods you can use in other methods here. For example, you can say log plan just for checking it out. log the plan out, this dot plan, you have to use this here. And we can call these methods from other methods as well. So for example, after we log the current plan, this dot log plan, and then change the plan. So we should see the current plan being logged, and then we should see the new plan is set, and the UI will be re-rendered. Let's see that. And the console switch, and you can see logging the current plan and then switching over actually to free.